Hi everyone, I just finished the watch. Counting the days. Here. Its size is 20 to times 50 centimeters. Use 12 volts power. Remote control by remote. There are buttons to guide you to a set. Then plug it in now. This uses be a segment 9 by 12. These for numbers count the days. Value is the largest, it is 909,909 days. If you buy it after a day, it will jump to 1 unit. And now I guide. It's got this button on the side. If you think about it, the increase is the decrease, and this button is not used. There is a remote and you can press the remote. If you press the remote button, the button is the set button, B is the up button, C is the down button. Then press the set button, press the set button. It'll flash the number, and we quickly set the numbers, the original value for it. Click the next set and jump to the next number. Then press this button, the up and down button. Can I reset it now? Then mill it. Now, I'll set the R value for it. Press and hold the set button. Hold on a little, it will. Go to the time setting mode. It flashes too, it moves to the hour. This is the minute. Now this is the minute. I will come in at 23:59. It flashes for a while, and we can't help but have an impact. And it automatically exits. Now I do it again. Mill it. It's 23:59, 2 to 3 o'clock. 59 minutes. The default is 55 seconds. Press the review button again and it will save time. 5 seconds later, he'll be dancing. Then it's time to move on to that new day. I set 23 hours and 9 minutes to watch. I'm going to reset it right now. The time. A now is now. It's 10:50 and 9 minutes. Hold on. It holds that little bit, it flashes. It's time, we set the time. It is 10:59. 50 minutes and 59 seconds checkbox. Through the new day. It'll automatically jump up a unit, guys.